I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world
I am so hello guys, I welcome you all in my channel. So if you didn't know me, I am Mihir Nayak and I am the teacher of yours for this session. And so in the last session I am talking about the page structure of the HTML5 document. So in this photo you can see that the first off we have a header section, means the header tag. Then we have a navigation section, means the navigation tag. Then we have our article. So we use the article tag. Sections, so means we using also sections tags. We want a site tag because we use the extra informations, contains the relatable links and advertisement and like that things. So we use the site tag, and I'll be going to teach you all of that stuff. So don't be panic in starting moment. So I am just overviewing you what you are going to learn in this video. So you are going to learn about a header tag, navigation tag, article tag, section tag, a site tag and a footer tag. So let's start from a header tag. So first of all, what is the header tag? So let's see. Header tag we are using in HTML4 also, but we using header tag in HTML4 like Nocta tag. We make the ID called a header, then use it as a header. But in the HTML5 we had a individual tag named a header to use it instead of the div. Okay, so the header element is appropriate for use inside the body tag. So we have to use it in the body tag, and I'll just show you how to use it. So we have the header information in that, like a particular thing, h1 and the paragraph and the logos like that. Okay, so first of all we had our skeleton. If you didn't know what is it and what's the stuff inside that, so go to our older videos. I will be explaining everything about HTML5 basics, and then I am going to on the stuffs. Okay, so first of all we have to use the header tag. So first of all we are writing that header, and then we write h1. So if you know that the h1 and the basic tags, so that it's easy to understand the stuff. Okay, so h1 I'm writing, it's a header, it's header part of document. Okay, then we header on a paragraph. Okay, I had a paragraph. Okay, but in the header section we didn't have to use the paragraphs. We used the one simple headline, or we had a logo of our website, something like this. So we use also image. We have here a source, and then we have here the alternate name if the link was cracked or broken sometimes. Then it's the so on there. So control save, and then I start the server. First of all I start the open with live server, then you understand better. Okay, it's the live server, you can see it, it's our headline which is in the header tag. Okay, and this is the image tag, goes in the header tag also, but it's broken means we didn't provided the path to it. So it's showing the alternate name for it, the logo name. Okay, that we set it. So after that we have our footer section. Let's go on footer. So we write the footer, and then it's created by itself. So the footer element is also widely used to generally we refer to section located at The very bottom of the web page has the footer. Means the following information is usually provided between these tags. Means in the footer tag, we had the information about contact information, we had a privacy policies, social media icons, term of service, copyright information, sitemap and related documents. All this stuff we are putting in the footer tag. Okay, so be clear. All the stuffs about our website like privacy policies, social media icons and term of service, that type of things we put in the footer tag in the form of links. So I make usually non-working links, okay, for now to show you. So 4 and then okay, so we had that, and I didn't going to give them a path, so I write the has in it, then I give them a name. So first of all we give the name contact information tag, information, then we had privacy policy, then we had social media icons, social media icons, and another one thing we had a term of service. So term of service, and I'll save it in, and let's go to our server, and we said we had the links. That all thing we seeing here, it was in our footer section, and that stuff was in the header section. It's very hard to divide that because we didn't apply CSS and we didn't have appropriate content here. So you understand, after we going on the projects, it's just only basics, so we are just focusing on to teach you what the tag does, and when you see the projects then you learn how they works. So in this header section we also have to use a navigation. If we want the navigation bar, then we have the element name it the nav. So you write simply nav, then enter is the nav element where we have the clickable links for our site. We can see in many navigation bar when we go on any site, it's like a home and login and sign up buttons. It's called the navigation bar. In this navigation bar you can also provide it in the header section because it's the part of header also. So in the header section you also have to use here links, so you have to define links. I am going to define the links some of for you, so be patient. Then 1 2 3. Okay, we only needed 3 of them, we didn't need all of them, so it's enough. So here login, then I had a sign up, then I had a home. Okay, I saved it, go to my document, and you can see it, we had our navigation bar here. It didn't looking like the navigation bar yet, but you can check it out after learning the CSS or applying the CSS, and we had to do the apply some of that things. It's easy to understand now because we are learning the one separate parts. We are learning the parts separately, individually, so that it's a little bit harder, but I am going on the projects in some of days, so it's a lot more easier than now. Okay, then we go on on a site element. Now you had the interesting part, little bit more. First of all, we had to search about article. We read the blogs, we surf on internet, and we seen the information that was in the article form and had the different sections, and we see many things in the site. Okay, so that type of things we get by using an article section and a site elements. So first of all, let's use the article element. So I write simply article, and in the article element I have to first give the header width. So I give the h2 and give it the element name Lorem ipsum. Okay, and then Lorem. Okay, then give the paragraph p tag and write something here. Yeah, okay, let's do it little bit more. Yeah, control C, you copy edit, and then paste it again and again. It's look like a paragraph. Okay, it's now looking like the paragraph, and then copy it again. So it's look like a sections. It's easy to understand. Okay, now we had a thing look like article. Okay, let's do once again. Save it, you go to the site and you can see it. Okay, it's look like article. We didn't apply anything, so it's not looking more like article, but it's so simply we said we write the one h1 here, Lorem ipsum. It's the title of the article, and that the stuff in the article. That was the, you can say it was a one section. But let's go on sections part. So section is a logical container of the page or article. Section can be used to divide up content within an article. For example, a home page could have a section for introducing the company, another for news item, and still another for contact information. Each section should be identified typically by including a header, means headings like a h1 to h6 elements as a child of the section elements. Then we use it the Lorem ipsum in the h2 tag. So first of all, we're wrapping all that stuff in the sections. Means this is all the stuff we had here in article. We write the section tag. This is the section tag. Let's make it nicer. And we simply copy that all the stuff. Means cutting it, like putting it in that stuff. Okay, let's look very nice. Okay, something open, sticky keys. Okay, I didn't want to open the sticky keys, so let's save it. Go to the site. It's already let's refresh. It looked the same, but when you're using the CSS file and another thing like that, it helps a lot more. So we seen it in that part. Then we have a site. Okay, let's see you how a site works. So in the section tag, you can say it's section tag. Okay, First, learn what is aside. Aside is a secondary or tangential content which could be considered separate from but indirectly related to the main content. This type of content is often represented in sidebars. When a side tag is used within an article tag, the content of the aside should be specifically related to that article. Specifically related to that article. So let's see how it works. So writing the aside tag, then we need a p tag, writing the lorem ipsum. Okay, it's enough. I think we didn't want much. Then I write the h2 tag, h3 tag. Okay, give it the aside tag. Okay, so we understand the part. You can see it. You can see it. It's a side tag. I didn't know why it working well. I can see it once again. So I know it's not enough, and I apologize for it, but I do best as I can. So please give it a thumbs up if you like. Comment what you find wrong in the video and what you like in the video, and keep sharing the video. I am just creating the videos for you and trying to improve myself. So see you later.